You want to sit in the chair like a big boy? No? You're just going to push it? Come here. Bring me the chair. Bring me the chair. Bring it to me. Come on. Quit crawling. You can walk. Okay. Come sit in it like a big boy. Sit in it like a big boy. Come on. I got you. Now put your booty in the seat. That's not sitting in it like a big boy. Turn around. I got you. I got you. Now sit down like a big boy. No, sit. There you go. Good job, Hayden. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. So high five. All right. Up here. High five. All right.